Hello student. So now you are going to learn pencil shading bird study color pencil. You can feel the life of the bird in the painting. Use pencil to draw the bird and then shade in the colors. Pencil colors are easy to handle when used for drawing delicate objects. So now first you will take the one pencil and complete the drawing on given your hello color book page number 20. So first complete this bird drawing. So now you have to trace this picture with the pencil and complete this bird drawing of your own self. So now this way first you will complete this sketch. So now after sketching there you can use the pencil color shades. So now first we have to start it with the blue color. So first you will take the blue color and give the shade strokes with the pencil color. So we can start the top of the drawing in this way, like shading way. You have to complete the shades with your own. Now complete this blue color. You have to follow this small instruction picture. They are already given the color picture. You have to follow that only and complete the pencil shading with help of pencil color. So now first you have to complete it with yourself. In this way only you have to complete this blue shades on your bird. First of all you have to complete this whole body with the help of blue color. So now after blue color you can take the red color pencil and fill the according to given small instruction picture. There you can fill the same way like shading way and complete this bird picture with pencil color. You have to color this in stroke, then it will be looks beautiful like a feather. So complete the picture first. So now suppose your color is coming out, so no problem, there you can use eraser, and again you have to complete your color. So now first you will complete the down body also with the red color pencil. But one thing you remember always, you can give the stroke with the pencil, then it will be looks beautiful. Then now you can take the yellow color and give the same shades on red strokes, so it will be looks like a shading. Okay, so now take the black pencil color and give the shades according to small picture. You have to give the like zebra line, you can draw on the same blue color in the body like a zebra pattern. So like this you have to complete this bird shading with the pencil. So now it looks very beautiful, and you have to fill the shades. Then after that you can fill the color in eyes. You can complete the eyes also of your bird. So give slowly black dots in eyeball, and give the shade little bit of side of the your bird eyes. Then after take the brown color and fill the color in stem. Both sides you have to fill color same of your tree branch. So there you can first fill the brown color, and then after you will give shades in the bird leg with orange color. Then now again you have to take the black pencil color and give the shades according to required space. It's very easy painting. You have to complete with your own. And there you can give some yellow shade also on your tree branch. It looks so beautiful. And give some black shades also. So now your painting has to be done. Thank you. Now in your art and craft book, page number 7 is your homework